Hey you guys, it's your girl Naima and I'm back with another video. Yes, this is the second video of the day, night. So act like you just never see me in this last video. But anyway, I have another fragrance unboxing. This is from Dua. This is my second purchase from Dua and I am so excited. So this is the thing. Dua will have you like wrapped up in this web of I need everything, but I'm also confused. And then why is it so expensive? Okay, so I took advantage of their last sale. If you sign up for their email code, their emails, you'll get your codes, and they'll definitely let you know when something on sale. Okay, so Kia here on YouTube, she did a live video and she mentioned a fragrance in her live, but then said Dua has like their version of it. I think it's called Rolling in Love by Killian. Baby, once I looked up how much that fragrance costs, I said I am absolutely not paying $200 and some for no damn Perfume by Killian. Okay, we just gonna be honest with ourselves. So, like she said, she mentioned that Dua had their own version. So here we are. So I have a Dua dupe of Rolling in Love, and then I have the Bougie Marshmallow from Kayali, and then another one that I had on my wish list. So to see all the goods, keep on watching. So here is our box, and once again, I do not have the notes up and ready. Again, I don't know why I do the things that I do, okay? I just be here for the, y'all know the vibes, because vibes don't lie. Y'all gotta watch my last video to see what's on these texture strips. But anyway, okay, so here's Dua. We want to open her up and get into it, okay? And we know their packaging always is very, very nice and secure. And let's do this. Alright, so the three fragrances I purchased were Strawberry Marshmallow Dream, Lovebound, and Casino Royale Cotton Candy Nights. This is my first time also purchasing a 10 ml because again, if fragrances don't smell good, I don't have time, okay? I do not have time. So do they have the name on here? No, I think you have to open up the boxes to see. So this is my first purchase of purchasing a 10 ml. Ooh, and I can get with this. So this is Casino Royale Cotton Candy Nights, and I will list the fragrance that it's a inspired fragrance of, or their version of the fragrance, in this video. So let's give this a spray. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my gosh, I like this a lot. Hold on, y'all. Damn it. Let me get the notes. I'm so never prepared. Alright, so the notes for the Casino Royale Cotton Candy Nights. Oh, this is a unisex fragrance. So the top notes are, the notes. We have saffron, cotton candy, bitter almond, Egyptian jasmine, white musk, vanilla, spun sugar, and cedar. Y'all, this smells really, really good. Like, oh my God. And of course, I will put up on the screen what the, the mixture of. I really love this so much. Ooh. This smells really, 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 really good. Ooh, I love that. Okay, all right, Dua. I see you. I see you. I see you. All right, so we're going to get into the second unboxing. And this one is going to be Lovebound. So this is the one that is inspired by the Killian Rolling in Love. So I cannot wait to smell this one, okay? So let me pull up the notes for this one. I cannot find the notes on the site for Lovebound. So when when the fragrance is like sold out, do they like remove it from the site? Because I don't see it. And if I find it somewhere else, I will pop it in the video. But like I said, it's the inspired fragrance for Rolling in Love by Killian. And like I said, you know, your girl ain't paying the $5 for no fragrance. Not right now. Okay? Not right now. Let me see what Fragrantica. I don't know why I can't. It don't sound like I say that name right. The notes for the Killian fragrance. The main accords is vanilla, almond, floral, powdery, musky, sweet, tuberose, nutty, iris, and white floral. Like I said, I've never smelled this fragrance before. I don't even know if I am going to like it, but like I said, Kia and a few others that was in her live, they, you know, spoke highly of it. So y'all know all I need is a couple of people to tell me to do something, and guess what? I'm gonna do it. So that's why I went on ahead and purchased this one. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into it. Let me get me a fragrance strip, which once again, I never have available. All right, so let's give Lovebound a spray. So this is again one of the fragrances Kia mentioned for like a Valentine's Day, like a lover's fragrance. I can see why this is like perfect for like a Valentine's Day date night, anniversary, just something real sexy and alluring. This smells really, really, really good. I like it. I like it. Can I see myself wearing it? Yes. Will I probably wear this out on my next date? Yes. I like it. Will I purchase a bigger bottle? Probably not. But not saying that I don't like it that much. It's just because it's the price. I like this. Okay. 2 for 2. Okay. I like it. I like it. So the last fragrance I purchased, this is a full size. Well, one of the full sizes. And come on, packaging. Come on now. I love that. Make sure, look at me. Love that. Make sure your shit don't get damaged. Like I'm about to knock the damn camera down. Oh, so they bubbled me in that because I don't have a box. So this came in a little duster, which is fine. So this one is Strawberry Marshmallow Dream 81. So y'all know this is supposed to be the inspired scent for Bougie Marshmallow, and then the new Marshmallow blush that just came out. I will pop a picture of that on the screen. I was going to do a pre-order, but pre-ordering stresses me out. And we wasn't doing no pre-ordering because I want my stuff on a regular shipping schedule, not on no pre-ordering schedule, okay? All right, so this is what the fragrance looks like. Let's get into the notes for her. Okay, so Strawberry Marshmallow Dream is definitely sold out, so I'm excited about that. It's classified as a gourmand. The notes: nectarine blossom, orange blossom water, pink marshmallow, strawberry, coconut flakes, whipped vanilla, raspberry sugar, and a dual signature accord. That was a lot. So let's see. Ooh. Ooh. I knew that was coming. That thing went straight up my nose. I don't really smell anything. I'm spraying on my skin. So this may be one of the ones that you have to let macerate. Ooh. I don't know what Pink Lady Apple smells like. I definitely smell a little of like a lemon and like a nectarine orangey. I don't really smell, do I smell strawberries? Or is it raspberry? See, that's why when it be like a lot of notes in there, you be trying to pick up on all the things you read. I don't know. I don't know, y'all. So now this makes me really want to purchase that Marshmallow blush. Let's get ready to drop. I don't know how I feel about this one, y'all. This is, like I said, the one I may have to come back to. But the other two I actually like. This one, I may have to let her, put her back in her little duster and let her sit for a little bit. Then we can come back and revisit her in like a month. Which I think, yes, I think we'll do that. Yeah, because it's not moving me. Not as bad as Eclair by Lattafa, but that one is just not, it's not love at first sniff for me. So we gonna come back, girl, and check on you in about 2 weeks or so. We'll see. Alright, you guys, in this video, I hope you guys enjoyed it. You know what I'm saying? Rate, comment, and subscribe. If you guys have these fragrances in your collection, let me know how you feel about them. Any layering combos I should try, y'all know how we do. Leave it in the comments. And yeah. Hi, my new subscribers. Hello to my OGs. Y'all know it's good. Love y'all so much. And I'm going to bed. I'll talk to y'all in my next video. Bye.